expertise as one mentor cover only one topic. Round robin will be done, and this is something that will be unique for your learning experience. Try it out, Miranda. See you on February 5. Thank you so much, Miranda, and I'll see ya. Thank you. Hey Miranda, watch out for our upcoming speed mentoring session to be led by all of our awesome 8 mentors this coming February 5 and 12 from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. We will have 8 topics for 8 hours to be led by 8 mentors only for 888. The topics are very much important and will be driving expertise as one mentor cover only one topic. Round robin will be done, and this is something that will be unique for your learning experience. Try it out, Miranda. See you on February 5. Thank you so much, Miranda, and I'll see ya. Thank you. Hey Miranda, watch out for our upcoming speed mentoring session to be led by all of our awesome 8 mentors this coming February 5 and 12 from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. We will have 8 topics for 8 hours to be led by 8 mentors only for 888. The topics are very much important and will be driving expertise as one mentor cover only one topic. Round robin will be done, and this is something that will be unique for your learning experience. Try it out, Miranda. See you on February 5. Thank you so much, Miranda, and I'll see ya. Thank you.
Allow me to introduce to you the one and only, the voice that introduced, pitikin kita sa ilong, isang hampas na lang ng palakol, the power of yet. Please, let's give it up to our pambansang crypto coach, Coach Miranda Minor.
Hey guys! Hello! Isang magandang umaga, gabi, hapon po sa inyong lahat, mga ka-Miranda! Alright, sana po kayo po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan ngayon. Napakaganda po ng ating topic for today. I would like to greet each and every one of you. Again, my name is Coach Miranda Minor. Tayo po ay tuloy-tuloy na sa ating episode for today. Of course, our program is brought to us by...
This program is brought to you by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next multi-bagger coin. Download now using Coach Miranda Minor's referral link found in your chat room and in the screen. This program is brought to us by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next multi-bagger coin. Download now using Coach Miranda Minor's referral link.
Alright, let's actually do our show already for today. No, let's quickly do a readout first of all of our cryptocurrency prices as of today, Miranda. Alright, marami po talagang nagpo-profit ngayon. Grabe. Grabe, grabe, grabe. Nako, congratulations po sa inyo.
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
Alright, so our Bitcoin price as of today is still at 22,700 Kamiranda. Ethereum currently at 1,562. BNB currently at 303. XRP at 0.4085. Lahat po nag-retrace. I'm gonna be discussing maya-maya kung bakit. Cardano currently at 0.35. Dogecoin at 0.084. Solana at 24.41. Polygon Matic at 0.96. Polkadot at 6.27. Litecoin at 87.94. Shiba Inu at actually 0.0000138. TRX at 0.060. AVAX currently at 1767, Uniswap at 6.38, Atom is at 12.92, and of course 6.77 for Chainlink Kamiranda. Overall current market value bagsak po kahapon at 2.22%, pero congratulations, ang ating cryptocurrency is already up with 1 trillion market cap. Grabe. We're back to the global crypto market cap at the 1 trillion territory. All of the coins year to date is currently 36% improvement. However, gusto kong i-re-emphasize sa lahat that the current price versus the all-time high price of the coin is still within the average or neighborhood po of around 70 to 80% negative. So marami pa rin mga bulong-bulungan, usap-usapan that potentially this market is still at risk. This could just be a bear rally. Alright, punta natin ang mga mahalagang mga news as of today, Kamiranda. Alright, let's now do this. First and foremost, one biggest issue of the day is itong crypto blame game na nangyayari. Panoorin natin na mabilis ang mga episodes coming from, again, credits to Bloomberg Crypto Full Show. Let's just quickly listen to this, Kamiranda.
Intensifies the public fight between the Winklevoss twins and Barry Silbert.
$3.4 billion. That's how much Genesis owes its top 50 creditors. As the firm races to strike a deal, we'll speak with Matt Siegel of Van Eck, which is among the biggest Genesis creditors.
And Bitcoin continues to rise.
All right, so I'm gonna be discussing that in just few minutes. Pag-usapan natin yan, pero malaking issue ngayon across the cryptocurrency space. Wala pa rin pumapansin, but this is actually a sleeping giant that can just create havoc in the industry. The Genesis global issue, Kamiranda. And of course, isa itong napakalaking issue, guys. It's in front of us, no? There's a lot of companies nowadays who are actually doing a lot of job cuts. Netflix, Robinhood, Goldman Sachs, Amazon, and these are big companies. These are not small ones. These are not mom and pop shop. No, so these are very big companies, Kamiranda, and we need to be mindful of this. And as a matter of fact, if you look into the reduction of our staff among major cryptocurrency firms, Kamiranda, these are not Web2s. These are cryptocurrency firms. Galaxy Digital, 20%. DCG, 13%. Dapper Labs, 22%. Unchained Capital, 15%. Lemon Cash, 38%. Swift FTX, 35%. Kraken, 30%. Coinbase, 18%. And most recently, Kamiranda, Gemini is also laying off. No, let me just look into that. No, so most recently they have actually publicized they're gonna be laying off a couple of its workforce to the tune of 10%. Kamiranda, this is a very big issue. So pag-usapan natin to ng mabilis, Kamiranda. No? Let me just quickly go back to my main screen. So guys, here's what's happening right now, okay? So if we take a look, sabi ko nga sa inyo kahapon, there are two big drivers of what can drive the market. Actually, tatlo po yan. The first one is Nasdaq, no? And true enough, totoo na naman yung sinabi natin, Nasdaq did not perform really well over the past couple of hours on the trading day. So ang nangyari, Kamiranda, nagkaroon ng pag sideways or almost going, no, if you take a look at Nasdaq Miranda, yung tulad ng sinabi ko po, this can potentially alright, so this can potentially go down and go up further. Go down and go up further. Alright, so it can potentially support here. Sabi natin kahapon, Microsoft can become a potential crazy giant driver here. Alam mo, nakakatawa to kasi sinabi ko kahapon, ito ay potentially aakyat dahil maganda ang kanilang news, pero paglabas ng kanilang Microsoft earnings, pagbagsakan. Ba't bumagsak yan? Because yung kanilang estimates ang pangit, no? So, sorry, yung kanilang actual versus estimates did not meet the estimates. They're still profitable, no? But from an estimate perspective, they're still lower than the expectation. So bumagsak po yan after the trading hours na Miranda. So, what can potentially happen over the next couple of days or couple of hours, Miranda? Puntahan natin ulit yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, ibig sabihin nito, Miranda, if the market is actually laying off employees, especially for the cryptocurrency market, pwedeng hindi natin ito maranasan ngayon, pwedeng hindi, pero this is a very important integral symptom of what is about to come. I want to repeat that. Pwede itong maging simptomas ng what is yet to come. First and foremost, if people are laying off, it means hindi enough ang kanilang revenue to drive. Hindi enough ang revenue to drive the company. No? So, if the participants are weakening, if the participants in the market, Miranda, we are just merely traders. No? Reminder, hindi po tayo yung buong katawan ng crypto. We are just one of the many important pieces. So binabawi ko yung sinabi ko na lang, hindi ko lalangin ng traders, magagaling tayo. But at the end of the day, we are just not the only. Unlike in the stock market, karamihan stock traders, but in the cryptocurrency market, you're talking about the employees of these Web2 companies, these centralized exchanges. No? So if the companies are laying off, we might not be feeling it right now, but this is gonna be spelling what is yet to come. Number two, we might be seeing better numbers, but what's behind it may not necessarily be healthy. Bakit? TVL is going higher. OI is going higher, which means people are actually speculating. People are adding more contracts, new money coming into the derivatives. That's good. TVL is going higher, but not really so significant. We're still down to around 47 billion. But in fairness, coming from 35 billion up from January 2 onwards to January 25 as of today. Umakyat siya ng almost 14%, which is really good, no? All right, OI is increasing, TVL is increasing, crypto volume is currently $1 trillion. But here's the argument. Marami nagsasabi that what we're probably seeing is messier sa ilalim, no? Unfortunately, people are not paying attention to what is the bigger problem, the white elephant in front of us. The white elephant genesis, Miranda, this is actually a very, 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 very big potential problem to come. Alright, so babalikan ko yan. Doon muna tayo sa istorya natin, Miranda. So, a couple of analysts have also provided their insights, particularly not just losing workforce in the cryptocurrency, but also in the big tech companies. We need to remember, Miranda, na sinasabi po natin, magkapatid ang Bitcoin and NDQ or magpinsan po yan. If the tech companies are actually removing, and laying off employees, so is it a matter of ChatGPT, OpenAI ba yan? Are we creating more chatbots that are lessening the work of our generalists, diba? People are outsourcing. Is it because of outsourcing? People are now outsourcing kasi palaki ang percentage of workforce in the Philippines. What is driving that, right? But at the end of the day, the big ticket item here is that if you're removing employees, you're potentially trying to rationalize your cost. Bakit? Kasi nga, potentially, your revenue is going down. So what is driving that? What's potentially driving that, Miranda, is the Fed. Sila po ang nagdadrive niyan. If they are actually winning, it means that Kasi sila, di ba sila may gusto niyan? They wanted to have lesser workforce. They wanted to have lesser manpower para hindi tumataas ang inflation, no? Kabaliktaran naman, maybe some of you are noticing, Coach, bakit lumiliit ang empleyado ng mga big tech companies? Pero ang sinasabi, lumalaki ang employment. What does that mean? You need to remember, Miranda, employment in the US is not just on tech. Meron silang farming payrolls, they have non-farm payrolls, they have manufacturing payrolls, they have a lot more types of employees. So we're only talking about the one that's very close to the heart of NDQs, which is these companies you're seeing today. So what does that mean? Again, ulit natin, parang we're seeing like a broken record here. Potentially what we're seeing right now is that the numbers that we're seeing today is good. While the number is encouraging, we need to be cautiously optimistic. Ulitin ko we need to be cautiously optimistic, Miranda. Alright, please type number 1 kung naintindihan niyo po yan. Alright, we need to be, for 2022, we are really defensive. Obviously, lahat po nagbagsakan. Bitcoin monthly returns for 2022 is really massively low. But for 2023, sobrang ganda ng opening natin. But we need to be cautiously optimistic. Alright? So, let's continue with our storytelling, Miranda. Okay, ito po yung mga news that have rocked the cryptocurrency world. Coach, bakit po bumaba? Obviously, sabi natin, there could be a potential correlation between your stock market and your cryptocurrency market. Kahapon sinabi po natin that the performance of Microsoft can influence the performance of our cryptocurrency. So basically, when Microsoft went down after the earnings report came out, NDQ also went on a downward, on a sideways trajectory, and halos sumunod po si cryptocurrency. Ano pa yung sinabi natin ng alauna ng madaling araw kagabi? Sabi ko sa inyo kagabi, mga members, maghinay. Bakit? Ano yung sinabi natin? Ito po yung sinabi natin. This is what we have actually given everyone a heads up. Meron pong FUD or FUD, CBNB. This is a problem. However, ito yung basa ko dito na makinig mabuti. Ang basa ko dito, Miranda, is number one. Ang potentially nabasa ko dito, okay, is they're trying to admit fault already. Okay, they're trying to admit fault. Kasi ayaw nilang ma-discover pa ng iba. Parang sinasabi mo, let me be very proactive. Parang nung mga bata tayo, instead na ba-discover ng nanay mo na hindi ka nagsaing ng maayos, ikaw na magsasabi sa kanya, Nay, pasensya ka na, hindi ako nakapagsaing. Sasabihin ng nanay mo, ano ba nakain ng anak ko ngayon? Bakit napaka-proactive? Sinong ganyan minsan sa inyo? Sinong ganyan minsan? Minsan niya parang napakagaling naman ng anak ko, parang napaka-proactive. Nako, gano'n na mga minsan, di ba? Parang pangungunahan mo na. Oy, Nay, hindi po ko nakapagsaing pero gagawin ko na. Kasi napagod ka-basketball sa harapan po ng bahay. That's Coach Miranda Miner. Okay? Nakakatuwa lang, no? Anyways, ganun, tingin ko, they're actually trying to admit fault for the simple reason that if someone discovers it, it could be a potential FUD for them. Okay? It could be a potential even bigger FUD for them. So I mean, that's a market strategy. You want it to become ahead of the FUD, aminin mo na, di ba? Sabi nga nila, it's better to ask forgiveness than permission. Unahan mo na. Di ba? Parang ganun. So tingnan mo, si BNB hindi na bumaba, $300 pa din. But this is a big issue. Kasi they admitted, no? What if someone else, di ba? Kasi kapatid yung issue nila, kapatid ni FTX. What if someone discovers the problem? Di ba? What if someone discovers the problem? And unfortunately, Miranda, if someone discovers this, ako sabog ang Binance, sinasabi ko po sa inyo. Alright? So, medyo magaling sa business acumen itong si CZ. Congratulations. Ha? Inuunahan nyo na yung mga marites, di ba? Nakaka-relate ba kayo, Miranda? Yung mga, alam mo mga ganong anak, di ba? Nay, alam mo talaga, Kalimutan ko talagang bumili ng pinabibili mo eh. Pero mahal naman talaga kita kamera. Nay, mahal na mahal talaga kita, Nay. Oo. Sino magagalit na nanay na yun? Versus ma-discover, nako, anak, bakit hindi ka bumili? Ba't di mo sinasabi? Ganyan mga nanay, di ba? Ganyan mga nanay. Di ba? Ganun ang public opinion. And the court of public opinion, pag nauna ka, ay, ang galing naman. Ay, talagang tapat, talagang masinop. Uy, talaga. Di ba? Ganun ang mga kabataan. Ganun din in the court of public opinion. Di ba? When we try to admit fault, congratulations, parang pasikat ka pa. O problema ko, alam, ganyan din sa opisina, 'di ba, Miranda? 'Di ba? Ganyan sa opisina, if you're very proactive to your boss, pasensya ko na talaga, hindi ko na-deliver yung reports na gusto mo ahead of time, pero sa totoo lang talaga, tinamad ka lang. Talaga, coach, pasensya ka na. Talagang I forget eh. Talaga, pero I promise to you, talagang gagawin. Ito po yung kape, boss. Diba? Sino pong ganyan sa inyo? Yung mga ganyan. And honestly, even big companies can do that. So in my own opinion, this is Coach Miranda Minor talking, I believe that inunahan nila to. I think may problema sa loob niyan. Tingin ko lang. Inunahan nila. Miranda, the word commingle has been used many times in the most recent issue of FTX. You need to remember that is the reason why DOJ has been looking at FTX like there's no tomorrow. Pinag-aagawan nga yan, di ba, ng SEC ng Bahamas, ng SDNY, ng DOJ. Lahat sila nag-aaway-aaway. Hindi, akin to. All of them were trying to find the right cookie for them. But at the end of the day, kapatid yung problema na yun ni FTX. Pag lumabas yan, ako sinasabi ko sa inyo, so medyo maganda ang ginawa. At least isang bagsakan na lang at pera mara-recover natin. Diba? And then eventually we're gonna be able to remove the bad optics for this. Let's now move on, Miranda, okay?
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
Alright, another news, Miranda. Ito na nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo, di ba, yung mga comingling na yan. Ay nako, sinasabi ko, malaking issue yan pag hindi yan naayos, lulusubin ang Binance. Well, Binance is not immune to many cases. As a matter of fact, nung last year na mga FUD sila, inadmit nung kanilang lawyer na we're receiving as many as 100,000 cases a month. So hindi na sila bago dyan. I think they have one of the strongest legal minds in the industry today. So let's continue, Miranda. Let's go to Ethereum. No? Medyo ito, ang sinasabi ng co-founder ng Ethereum, gumawa tayo ng stealth addresses. No? Alam mo, Miranda, marami na po mga kumpanya ngayon ang gumagamit ng tokenization of their assets. Bakit? Kasi nga, wala ka ng problema to monitor. Auditable eh. Di ba? You can audit as long as ginawa mong NFT yung certificate. Di ba? Meron ka ng hash number, meron ka ng may nonce, di ba? Kompleto na eh. It's auditable, it's public source, di ba? Kompleto. So kung meron kang gustong ibigay, for example, naalala nyo ba, Miranda, yung sino dito yung nakakaalala nung Pepsi millionaire na nasa Tansan? Ano bang taon yun? 1991? Sino nakakaalala nun, guys? Naalala nyo ba yun? Sige nga, can you please type number 1? Naalala nyo yung Pepsi 359 ba yun? Sino matatanda na dito? Miranda, yun ang magandang gawing raffle ngayon na naka-crypto kasi auditable eh. Di ba? Mag-airdrop ka lang dyan. Lahat kailangan merong wallet. Tapos makikita mo sino yung nag-participate. Lahat ng wallet addresses, you can easily get them already in the wallet block. Di ba? Di ba nagkagulo ng 349 ba yun or 359? Diba? Pati ako nakabunot ako nun. Sabi ng nanay ko, anak, milyonaryo na tayo. Hindi ako nagbibiro, guys. Ang dami pong 359, 349 nun. Diba? So this time, this is one of the potential use case. If you would like to do some raffle, auditable, you do it you tokenize it, diba? You tokenize the raffle. Kukuha ka lang. At the end of the day, it can be audited. You will know where did it go. Kasi meron kang specific address number. Ang problemang sinosolve ni Ethereum, kasi you need to remember, si Ethereum, para siyang si SM. Diba? Ang gusto ni Ethereum ngayon instead na maging shoe mart lang, ito yung pinakamabilis na explanation dito Instead na maging shoe mart si Ethereum, gusto niya maging SM Mall, SM Mall of Asia. He wants to become not just an EVM, he wants to become an empty blank platform that can accommodate multiple currencies. So parang okay, ako si SM Mall of Asia. Okay, marami akong bread, tawag doon? French baker, meron akong Jollibee, kung ano-ano, di ba? So they wanted to become like the SM Mall of Asia in the cryptocurrency, wherein magiging parang, ayokong sabing third party, but somehow to the layman term of, they wanted to become like the bed or the sandbox of many cryptocurrencies. Masyadong matayo yung kanilang gustong gawin. In my perspective here is that it looks like maganda yung proposal na to. Okay. However, we need to do a lot of optics here. Bakit? Kasi nga, one of the major purposes of decentralization is to become fully transparent, no? If we wanted to do a hybrid approach of doing stealth addresses, the thesis here is, are we trying to solve for the problem of the majority of cryptocurrency users, or are we trying to solve for the problems of the whales? Hindi ko maintindihan yan. Are we trying to solve for the problems of the whales? Kasi again, at the end of the day, if we're trying to solve for privacy protection, what are we trying to be private about? Hello, we're actually in crypto. So, tingnan natin, actually, this particular news is quite good, but ako bilang outsider perspective, I would like to take it with a grain of salt. No? Parang hindi ko maintindihan, ano gustong gawin ng taong to? I mean, stealth addresses for what? I know privacy protection for who? Diba? Aren't we supposed to become transparent? Aren't we supposed to be auditable? Aren't we supposed to become open? And can we create a system that's basically obviously protecting privacy kasi wala naman pong pangalan. So hindi ko talaga maintindihan anong klaseng privacy ang gustong gawin. Diba? So pag ito, I'm going to do research further, but if you take a look at it from a third party lens, isipin natin, as far as I know, addresses have no Coach Miranda minor. Diba? Pagkakalam ko, mga addresses, meron mga A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron mga, diba, the number should not repeat. The number should only appear once. Diba? Ganun yung kanyang technology. Anyways, this is just one of the news. Ang malaking issue pa din, or malaking driver pa rin for Ethereum, is obviously all of the LSCs, the liquidity staking coins, those coins that are being given as a reward, kasi magiging attractive sila come the Shanghai hard fork. Alright, let's quickly now move on with another news ka Miranda. No? So just quickly check on with the DeFi Llama. So I just wanted to emphasize here na halos wala naman ding change for the past couple of days. Technically, from a TVL perspective on all of the LSCs, Lido pa rin is number 1. Alright, NKR, CRVs. Uy, nag-number 3 na si CRV Kakasabi ko sa kanya, nag-number 3 na. Alright, number 3 na si CRV. Congratulations sa mga nasi-CRV holders dyan. AAV, alright? And of course, Frax medyo nasa ilalim si FRX na yan. Nasa ilalim siya. Alright, anyways, I don't see much of a significant change. Pero in my own opinion, Miranda, in my own humble opinion, alright? Ang aking overall na gustong sabihin dito is that napakatapang ng market na to. I'd like to fathom what's happening with the market. Because it looks like the price is still going higher, but when in fact, yung ilalim niya, hindi ganun kalakas ang fundamentals natin. Or I want to know your thoughts and write down your comments sa ilalim. Or mabuti na rin na nangyari lahat ng kapangitan sa buhay ng crypto. Kasi kung hindi naman na bulgar lahat yan, all of us were all singing kumbaya here. Oh, we're good in crypto, di ba? SBF is the savior. Kung hindi naman lumabas lahat ng mga problemang yan, we will never have an enlightened lens, di ba? We will never know that there is a problem. So potentially ang nangyari, tama na talaga na nangyaring ganito mga problema para tayo maging very, very cautiously optimistic. Okay, let me quickly tell you what's going to happen within this today. Miranda, one of the big ticket items na gusto kong magkaroon kayo ng aha moment today. Okay? I want you guys to have an aha moment for today. Alright, okay. Question okay, number one. Coach, kailan po ba magandang mag-trade? Can you please type number 1 kung ganyan ang tanong mo lagi? Kailan ba magandang mag-trade? Kailan ba nag-trade dyan si Coach? Bakit naman di ako nakakasabay? Sige nga. Can you please type number 1 if you have the same question over and over and over and over again? Sige nga, I wanna see. I wanna see ka, Miranda. Tingnan natin. Let me double check. Marami. Okay, so marami sa inyo, Miranda, no? Uy, by the way, binabati ko nga pala yung buntis dyan sa Power Mac in SM13 Martires. Madam, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Napakagandang pag-istima sa atin bilang customer. Maraming salamat. Alam mo, Miranda, dahil mahal na mahal ko kayo, gusto kong pinag-i-improve ang ating quality of work. Kung mapapansin nyo kanina, yung ating shorts medyo malinaw na. Talagang YouTube quality na siya. No, bakit? Kasi nga, salamat po sa iPhone 14 Pro Max na binigay. Nabili po natin dahil sa profit natin. Maraming salamat. Ito yan eh. Ito yan, di ba? So, kailangan pag meron kang profits, kailangan i-reinvest mo sa business mo. Ayan. Salamat sa mga namigay tuloy. Sa napakagandang serbisyo dyan sa Power. Siguro, sabi nila, dami siguro ang pera nito, kaya bigyan natin ng magandang service, di ba? Anyways, alright, pag-usapan natin ito. Guys, okay, let's now do this. Alright. Where is the best time to trade? Miranda, to be honest with you, always the best time to trade is when you have a plan. Wow, Coach Miranda, para ka naman teacher, ha? Guys, the best plan or the best time to trade is to know that you have a plan and you are going to trade your plan. However, granted, may plan. Coach, may plano kami. When is the best time to plan? Yun ang tanong, di ba? You need to make sure meron kang plano so you can trade. But the question is, when is the right time to plan? Di ba? Nag-guess nyo, Miranda? When is the right time? The question is, hindi right time to trade. The question is, when is the right time to plan? Okay, so the right time to plan is on... Alam mo, nakakainis. Ano ko maiinis kayo sa akin? The best time to plan is on our live. Grabe ko naman, Coach. Parang market, sinesales stock mo lang ako eh. Yung sales stock mo ako. Diba? No, guys, no kidding. No kidding, no? I mean, no. I'm not giving any sales talk here, no. Miranda, listen to me carefully. For the past couple of days, and actually, I've been trying to do some deeper dive on this. Gusto kong umatras ng even 3 months ago. Lahat po ng major, massive price action, I've been trying to monitor within the Asian period, European period, and American period, yung mga time zones. Karamihan sa mga time zone, nag-e-effect ng tulog na yung mga Pilipino. Napaka-unfair, di ba? Napaka-unfair po. Sa totoo lang po, napaka-unfair talaga niyan. Kasi kung kailan katulog, di ba? Pagising mo, may na-receive ka na sigurong text. Kasi sabi, aakyat to, gano'n. Siguro iniisip mo, di ba? Di ba? At the end of the day, the best plan, meron ako ilalabas na video tomorrow, 3 minutes lang yon. Pwede bang maging trader ang isang part-timer? Panoorin mo yun. Ano yung mga kailangan gawin? Kasi kay Miranda, to be honest with you, pwede naman. Basta panoorin yung video ko. But in this particular case, if you zoom in further, nakakatuwa. Kasi for example, noong January 15, umangat ang Bitcoin from 20,000 to almost $500. Ito on January 16, umangat from 20,718 to 21,300. Noong January 18, Wednesday, bumaba ng alas 10 ng gabi. Kinaumagahan from 21,399, the price of Bitcoin went all the way down to 20,422. Nako. Almost $741 shaved off just overnight. Tulog po ang mga Pilipino niyan. Alright? Another one, nung January 19, Thursday, alas 11 ng gabi, doon lumipad si Bitcoin, starting from the price of 20,718 to almost 21,168. Imagine mo, tulog ka, kinaumagahan, lumipad na. Paggising mo ng alas 10 ng gabi, doon na umilalim ulit. How unfair is that? That is crazy. Di ba? Kaya nga nung kumita ako ng $2,000 mahigit, sinasabi ko sa inyo, Miranda, yung mata ko, ang laki na ng eyebag ko. Bakit? Alas 4 nag-activate yung paglipad ng coin. Alas 4. Diba? Ikaw humihilig ka pa, lakas ng tulog, sarap ng tulog mo, when everyone else is earning 100,000 pesos. Hello? Isn't that unfair? Diba? That's unfair. No? It's within the Asian territory. But what does it tell us as a community? It tells you that Asian market is quite not that very negative on the crypto market. Ang negatibo at napakaaligaga sa market is the US market. Because, well, it's not because of their behavior, but because cryptocurrency is entirely hugely correlated with cryptocurrency. Okay? Tuloy natin yung storya. Noong January 21, Sabado, lumipad ng almost coming from 21,000, humataw ng 22,600. Okay, the next day bumaba, coming from 23,200, bumaba po ng 22,608. So almost 2.97, 2.74, and 2. Gigising ka, ang pangit ng price. Tapos biglang aakyat. Tapos biglang bababa. So napaka-volatile niya. It's very volatile. And that can potentially kill. Sorry for the word, no, but there's obviously the meaning of that. It can actually destroy, a beginner because you don't know how to manage your portfolio. Diba? So be very, 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 very mindful of this. Again, thank you to our research team. Maraming salamat po.
Bigger, better, stronger. All three this 2023.
Alright, so let's continue. Ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Inka. Salamat, ma'am.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda.
Ay, hindi si Inka yun. Baka maniwala kayo. Malay mo naman. Diba? Alright, let's now continue our story. So where can this potentially go today? Ito I'm going to give you again a guidance kasi nangyayari naman yung guidance natin, di ba? Okay, so what can happen today? Alright, ito yung mangyayari potentially. Wala akong prophecy ball or something. Miranda, I'm just a humble influencer. Okay, ito na. So, puntahan natin si earnings report ni Nasdaq. Puntahan ko lang to Give me a second for Nasdaq. Alright. Okay, so today, Miranda, I'm going to remove Microsoft here. Alright. Okay. So for today po, lalabas ang report ni Kuya Tesla. And this is a humongous company. Okay? Kahapon, yung market cap ng Microsoft is actually 1.8. Ito naman 453. So medyo malaki din po ito. No? So tingnan po natin. And of course, aside from Tesla, you have AT&T as well. Medyo malaki din. No? Well, US Bancorp, maliit na yan. But at the end of the day, Miranda, Tesla can drive. So let's quickly check on the pre-market figures as to how the market can potentially react today. So medyo boom, grabe. Ay, nako. Alright, so again, not a conclusive number. Wag muna kayo mag-short dyan. Pipitikin ko kayo sa ilong. Miranda, mag-intay po tayo, okay?
Coach, papitik nga ako sa ilong.
Miranda, we need to wait up until at least 10:20 na nakalock na yung numbers. We're gonna be anticipating how much the market will open. Pero medyo nakakalungkot ito, no? It looks like people are actually doing take profits already after the hype. So because of this, titingnan natin ano ba nangyayari kay Nasdaq. So it looks like Nasdaq is potentially continuing, it's still potentially going a multi-month breakout. However, baka mangyari itong sinasabi natin. Okay? Your old resistance can definitely act as your support. So that's gonna be your silver lining there. Katulad ni Bitcoin, Miranda, your old resistance can act as your support. Okay? So if Bitcoin is currently on this hammer, so currently 22.5, kung ito man ay babagsak, okay? Kung ito man ay, guys, mamaya nyo na panggigilan si APT, ha? Parang awa nyo na. Mamaya na si APT. Alright. Okay. So, it looks like this is true to all of the coins. Kung ito man ay haharibas pababa, there could be a potential support here within the 21,659 level, and that could be your potential strong support. Miranda, of course, you also have your lip of this cup. It could be a lip here, 21,465. This one can potentially become your support pag ito man ay bababa. That is actually a good news. All right? Again, tingin po natin the reason why this is actually going down is because Nasdaq is actually showing the same trajectory. So it looks like Nasdaq is getting a little bit hammered when the market is taking profits. All right. So today, aabangan po natin if Tesla can influence the market. Abangan po ninyo yan. Abangan natin lahat if the market is going to open. However, there are a couple of stocks na nauna nang mag-break out, Miranda. Alright, there are a couple of stocks na nauna pong nag-break out. Number one, let's actually quickly check on with yung pinakamamahal ninyong lahat. Ilabas na natin yan. Boom, 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 boom. Uy, 17 na pala. Eh, grabe naman tong coin na to. Alright, so nakakatuwa to, Miranda. Nakakatuwa tong storya na to. I'm very happy because sa mga members, yan, I think, hapon pa lang sabi natin, alas 4 ng hapon sabi natin, Miranda, kayo po ay intay na. Okay, let me be very, very specific. Let me actually try to clarify. Okay? I just wanted to clarify, Miranda. Okay, number one, hindi po ako nagbibigay ng signal. Okay, can you please type number 1 na naintindihan niyo po yun? All right. Okay, if you've noticed in my messages, there is not even a price na sinabi kong pasukin mo. Giving signals is giving the price that you need to enter. The purpose as to why I'm doing this is because gusto kong turuan yung nakikinig, yung nagpamiyembro dyan, kung paano. Kasi kung bibigyan kita ng isda, hindi ka matututo, Miranda. And that is not what I would not want to happen. Baka kasi mag-expect, oh, yung galing coach naman, bibigyan ng mga signal line. It's not, guys, I've always said that many times. I don't want. As a matter of fact, I said you need to chart. Itong chart na to, hindi ko naman to binigay. Okay? So I'm going to give you potential coins. Right? And again, I'm not always accurate, ha? Ayaw ko sabihin na iba dyan, oy, join na tayo dun, dami ng pera ng mga tao. No, it's not to hype. It's for me to train you. Okay? Sana uunawaan po na lahat. Please type number 1 ka, Miranda. Alright? Kasi baka sabihin ng iba, uy, sali na tayo. Dami mga nangyayari yata. Mga dami mga kumikita doon, di ba? Alright, so anyways, so gusto kong i-challenge, no? Kasi nga, kailangan nyo talaga, para kasi alam mo ka, Miranda, siguro mag-member ka ng 1, 2, 3 months. At hindi ka forever dyan, di ba? Kung gusto mo mag-stay, sige mag-stay. Masaya ka siguro, meron tayong upcoming raffle, masaya ka dyan, di go ahead lang, di ba? But at the end of the day, I want you to have your own. Ikaw yung long term, ikaw na kasi ay galing naman. Kasi tagal mo ng member. Okay, ganun pala yung sinasabi ni coach. Yun pala yun. Yun pala yun. Ganun ang gusto kong aha moment nyo. Because if you're gonna be like that, trust me when I say this, you will become even better, right? Because you are in the continuous learning curve. Hindi ka nagiging dependent, Miranda, okay? And of course, we walk the talk. If we say chart, of course, nakaabang na po tayo dyan. We have already taken profit. Actually, medyo maaga ako nag-TP kasi medyo malaki po yung aking position. If you would have noticed, 13.79, kinolose ko na. Diba? Eh ngayon, nasaan na ba ang si ATP? Si APT. Parang nasa ano na yan, diba? Nasa 60 na. Imagine, ilang milyones na siguro yung pera natin yan. Diba? Pag tinuloy-tuloy ko pa yan, okay lang, low-key lang tayo, di ba? Anyways, natutuwa ako, ang dami nyo naging profitable. Gamitin nyo yan to encourage yourself. Huwag kayo masyadong aligaga. Isipin ninyo, ito, tatandaan nyo ha, kapag tama yung ginagawa mo, masarap sa pakiramdam manalo. Kasi alam mo, nanalo ka dahil meron kang sistema. Okay? Mas masakit pa na maisip na hindi mo alam bakit ka nanalo kaysa sa natalo ka. Okay? Tandaan mo yun ha, there's the fear of the unknown.
Ang galing mo talaga, coach.
Okay? There's the fear of the unknown. So we need to be very, 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 very aware of that. Kasi nga hindi natin alam, you don't know what you don't know. Di ba? Mas mahirap yun na hindi mo alam ba't ka nanalo kaysa sa natalo kasi alam mo hindi ka nag-isip. Di ba? So if you're going to win, and you guys, Miranda, I'm going to really, ayokong i-hype kayo, no? Pero I'm going to give you a little bit of motivation here, no? Miranda, if you can be profitable because someone else saw it for you, that's good. But imagine if you can see what I see, baka ilang iPhone 14 po yung mabili ninyo. If you can see what I see, baka hindi mo na ako kailanganin, kamera. Baka ikaw na mismo gumagawa ng ganyan, di ba? So, guys, we need to have that level. Ini-encourage ko kayo, i-develop itong mata, i-develop paghanap ng mga ganyan. Because, hindi naman magic yan eh. To be honest with you, kahit sino tumingin dyan, TRBO yan, di ba? Nagkataon lang, chart ako ng chart. No? Meron akong sistema sa pagcha-chart ng mga coin. Kaya alam ko yan. Binibigay ko lang din sa inyo. Kasi hindi naman bagong system yan. Miranda, TRBO yan, di ba? Miranda Miner System. TRBO, abangan. Meron tayong pennant na sinasabi kahapon pa. Abangan. Nothing is wrong. So I would like to encourage each and everyone, if you're listening to me right now, Miranda, kaya mo, huwag kang ma-FOMO sa mga profitable dyan sa chat room. Huwag mo silang pansinin. You will have your own time. And when the time comes na kaya mo nang ulit-ulitin yung ganyang mga calls na tumatama ka, edi congratulations, because you can have an effective part-time business. The only thing na sinabi natin, actually matagal ko na sinabi, actually APT has always been someone, andito pa lang sinasabi ko na yan, di ba? Di ba guys? Sinasabi ko na sa inyo yan. Abangan, di umakyat. Tapos abangan ulit, di umakyat na naman. So Miranda, how did I enter this is basically waiting for the pattern to activate. Ayan. Ayan. I'm just waiting for it to activate. That's it. So ginagawa ko lang, kasi ang topic natin ngayon, how did I enter this particular trade? Ginagawa ko, I zoom out. I look at the forest, not the tree. I look at the forest. I look at here. I look into the structure of the market. Obviously, it's actually an upward impulsive move. Paakyat po siya. You have your high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You have your higher high. So basically, nakakatakot na tong left hand na to, Miranda. People are speculating here. Trust me when I say. Hindi ko alam. Sorry. I don't believe na FA ito. I don't think it's just FA. The only reason, in my perspective, why is this going higher is obviously it's creating a multi-year breakout. This is actually way back October pa, no? So technically, within last year pa, yung pinakahuling price nito, inakyat, hinataw niya papaakyat. So for me, this is actually basically a price action movement. And number two, halos lahat po ng coin kanina ay pula. So basically, may mga robots, by the way, may mga robots kasi naghahanap ng mga lumilipad na coin. Okay? Hindi ko sasabihin ko ano yun. I'm not using that. May mga coin, inuutusan yan, may mga bagong list, may mga bagong... paano nalalaman ng Twitter na naglista ka ng bagong coin sa PancakeSwap? Ba't nila iti-tweet yun? Mga bots yun eh. Diba? Maraming ganun ngayon. May mga ganon. So, may mga coins na may mga bots na magsasabi sa'yo, okay, merong liquidity alert, meron ditong liquidity na nangyayari, dumadami yung nagte-trade nito ngayon. May mga ganong bots, no? Huwag ka nang ganon. Aralin mo na lang. Diba? Aralin mo na lang. So, TRBO. Diba? Everyone actually during that time, pabagsak yung coin, APT was flying. Lahat ng tao nagliparan dyan, binenta yung mga position on other coins, nagbili ng APT, kaya tumakit 29% ka, Miranda. Anong, di ba? Well, kung meron mang FA, di okay. Di ba? Kung meron mang FA, edi go ahead. Pero at the end of the day, for me, ingat na kayo sa coin na ito. Guard your positions, and congratulations for all of you who have profited for today. Gamitin nyo yan to become an inspiration, hindi dahil sa akin, kundi dahil ikaw gusto mo matuto, you invested in yourself, and more importantly, aralin, because if someone can find it for you, you can also find your next multi-bagger coin, Miranda. Alright? Guys, with that said, maraming salamat sa inyo. I hope that na meron kayo natutunan kahit paano in our show for today. Abangan nyo yung aking mga vlogs. Ini-improve na po natin ang ating mga vlogs kay Miranda. And of course, abangan din po ninyo on February 5 and February 12. Meron po tayong paparating na speed mentoring. For the price of 888, kayo po ay makakausap ng 8 mentor as a group. Speed mentoring. Lahat po ng mentor, ang focus nila, well, siguro 7 out of the 8, the focus is how to. Paano i-execute. Yun ang ituturo sa inyo ng mga mentors, Miranda. Bakit yun ang ating approach? Because one of the big feedback na nalaman po namin, because we keep on asking feedback every time we do our master classes, sabi po ninyo, Coach, paturo naman ng how to, saan kandila, saan papasok. Yun po ang magiging content ng mga mentors. So it's gonna be 8 hours, 8 mentors for 888 Miranda. Alright? So with that said, panoorin nyo po itong next video natin. It will describe to you ano po yung mga topic per mentor. Merong topic per mentor. The mentor will discuss it to you for 1 hour straight. And then iikot po sila magiging 8 mentor po yan on that particular price. Alright, so panoorin po ninyo, and of course, hello po sa inyo lahat. Thank you again sa mga nagtanong. Okay, Anyorn, tinake note ko yung question mo, sulat natin yan. I just have no time. Bob, salamat din. Parang tuwan-tuwa si Sir Bob. Talagang dami niyang kinikitang profits. Alright, Sinbad, very good. Kim Jason, sabi niya, tama coach, part-time business mas malaki pa ang kinikita kaysa sa regular job. Ano mo pwedeng mangyari yan? To be honest with you, this can potentially happen. Diba? This can potentially happen, diba? So, okay, salamat din Miranda. No? Thank you to Mil. Sabi nila, get second bull trap. Miranda, I don't wanna make a decision it's a bull trap yet. Kasi, the market still has momentum, no? It has a momentum. So, maraming mga ang tagal na, actually 2 weeks ago, sabi ko potential baka nga ano eh. But the market is proving otherwise. Kakaiba tong market na to, parang nagre-revenge purchase, no? Kakaiba to eh. Ang pangit ng FA, walang kumakagat ng FA. Diba? Talagang inaangat pa rin niya. Talagang pinoprotect niya yung 22,500 territory. Pero once binasag niya yung key level support, no? Yung key level support ng Bitcoin, medyo mag-ingat-ingat na tayo doon kasi it can potentially really go down. No? So sinasabi ko dito, we need to be observant and we need to be mindful of how the price will react based on the FAs and the news, Miranda. Alright, sana po natulungan ko kayo and God bless you guys. And let's all watch this video. This is all for you. I love you 3,000 and I'll see you guys tomorrow with the mentors. Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys. Hey, Miranda. Our upcoming speed mentoring session to be led by all of our awesome 8 mentors this coming February 5 and 12 from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. We will have 8 topics for 8 hours to be led by 8 mentors only for 888. The topics are very much important and will be driving expertise as one mentor cover only one topic. Round robin will be done and this is something that will be unique for your learning experience. Try it out, Miranda. See you on February 5. Thank you so much, Miranda, and I'll see ya. Thank you.